Moving on to the intermediate page, we'll look at a new report form for them. Again, we want to know what their main project is, what they want to learn. So this coincides with goal setting. Then we get into the personal journal, which is like the diary for the juniors. So again, what they did, what they learned, and then what kind of activity type was it. So this is where they can include 4-H and even some non-4-H activities here. Okay, so we were on the intermediate page. We'll continue down it real quick. Summary of activities and accomplishments, recognition and awards. So we're starting to get beyond just the, description and stuff like that. We want to know specifically why it was important to them, and we want them to understand what level their award was given to them on, whether it was club, county, district, or so on. So you can kind of see that we're kind of blending from juniors to intermediates to the senior level, so that there is kind of a natural transition from writing about it to then charting it, and then putting it in a table format like we've seen with the seniors, and how they usually present their information. Community service, kind of the same way. At this point, then we want to know if they did it themselves, were a member of a group, or they provided primary leadership. In the beginning, we're just happy that they did it as a junior, but now we're looking at, we want them to understand what their role was. And then approximate hours. We know that this is probably a stab in the dark. Some figure that a lot of individuals pull out of the sky, and that's okay. To me as a judge, we're not going to concentrate on, this kid had more hours than the other kid, so we need to place it higher. To me, that's irrelevant. Leadership, kind of the same way. Same kind of information that you've been accustomed to seeing in the senior books as well. Leadership, elected, appointed, volunteer, those aren't any different than what you're used to, and then also the levels as well, those are the same. We've added the approximate number of people reached, taught, or served. Again, a lot of times that's pretty lofty numbers from some kids, but at least it might give us some kind of ballpark figure, on the county, district, or state level as to what our kids are actually doing for other people. Project summary. This is just kind of a way to summarize our information, get them to the point, start helping them think about how to write summaries, and getting them to the point to where they truly know how to reflect back on what they've accomplished or what they've done throughout the year.